The Drywall Chamfer woodworking hand tool is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for quickly and precisely refining beveled edges on plasterboard. With its ability to work at 45-degree and 60-degree angles, it's perfect for various applications. The tool boasts 3 blades that collaborate to ensure precise cuts in a single pass. Its controlled and safe operation caters to both experienced users and beginners. Constructed from durable materials, it promises longevity. This tool excels at tasks such as chamfering plasterboard edges, cutting at specific angles, planing edges, and removing imperfections. In summary, the Drywall Chamfer woodworking hand tool is invaluable for those working with plasterboard, offering efficiency, precision, and ease of use. The KEEPSORT Digital Angle Finder is a versatile measuring tool suitable for woodworking, construction, and home renovation. What sets it apart is its rechargeable capability, ensuring you won't run out of power during crucial tasks. Its built-in backlight guarantees readability in low-light settings, while the dual light beams enhance measurement accuracy even in challenging environments. This multifunctional device can measure various angles, bevels, miters, and comes equipped with a level and ruler. With its affordability, it offers excellent value for various applications, including woodworking, construction, and home renovation projects. Whether you're cutting wood, framing walls, or installing shelves, this angle finder simplifies the process with precision and ease. The EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution, equipped with active infrared sensors that initiate automatic operation upon detecting dirt, hair, or debris. With its 1,400-watt motor, it boasts formidable suction capabilities, effectively tackling stubborn messes. The high-efficiency dual filter system efficiently captures dirt and dust, ensuring clean air in your surroundings. Designed with ease of use in mind, this vacuum offers touchless operation, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Its bagless canister simplifies maintenance and eliminates the hassle of purchasing and replacing vacuum bags. This vacuum is particularly suitable for spaces where hair and debris are common, such as salons, clinics, and homes with pets. The WORKPRO Connectable Contour Gauge is a versatile and practical tool, perfect for tasks like woodworking, flooring, carpet laying, and tile installation. Made from durable ABS plastic, it offers precision and convenience. With a locking function to secure the gauge in place, it empowers you to accurately mark irregular shapes, simplifying various projects like copying curved wood profiles, fitting flooring materials, laying carpets, or installing tiles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool's ease of use, accuracy, and durability make it an essential addition to your toolkit, also making it a thoughtful gift for woodworking enthusiasts and handymen. The Perfect Pi Diameter Circumference Tape Measure is a specialized and robust measuring tool designed for accurately determining the diameter and circumference of cylindrical objects. Crafted from durable ABS and aluminum, it boasts a tough steel blade extending up to 12 feet and features a loop-style endpiece. Whether you're working in imperial or metric units, this tape measure provides measurements for both. Its user-friendly design includes a retraction mechanism with a wheel brake, allowing you to control the retraction speed and tension with ease. This versatile tool finds applications in various fields, such as plumbing, landscaping, construction, and manufacturing, ensuring precise measurements for pipes, trees, tanks, drums, and more. The FLORA Guard. Miter Shears is a versatile cutting tool designed for various applications, such as cutting molding, trim, softwood, plastic, and PVC at angles ranging from 45 to 135 degrees. Their heavy-duty SK5 alloy steel blade, which is both sharp and replaceable, ensures precise and clean cuts. The integrated handle is ergonomically shaped, providing a soft, non-slip grip, and a safety lock-in blade is included. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, these miter shears are easy to use and offer a range of cutting possibilities. They're perfect for tasks like creating miter joints, cutting chamfers, shoe molds, quarter round, PVC trunking, crafting softwood strips, trimming rubber and plastic edge strips, and managing weather strips. The Neoteck 0-to-1 digital dial indicator table saw gauge is a precision instrument designed for aligning and calibrating various woodworking machinery like table saws, bandsaws, and drill presses. With a measuring range of 0 to 1 inch and a resolution of 0.0005 inch, it's perfect for achieving precise measurements. Its user-friendly features include a large LCD display for easy reading and a built-in magnetic base for secure attachment to metal surfaces. The gauge comes with a 3.2-inch anodized aluminum bar that adds reach and stability to your measurements, and it's adjustable for versatility in various applications. The Bosch 12-volt max brushless 5 inches random orbit sander is a versatile and powerful sanding tool suitable for a wide range of applications, from wood and metal to plastic. Equipped with a brushless motor, it offers enhanced power and longer runtime compared to traditional brushed motors. Its variable speed selector allows you to adjust the sanding speed according to the material at hand. Additionally, it boasts an ergonomic palm grip design for precise control and comfort during use, ensuring optimal results. The sander's mobile dust collection system, compatible with both a dust bag and vacuum hose attachment, keeps your workspace clean. The Fiskars Crafts DIY Precision Hand Drill is a versatile and manual-powered tool suitable for a wide range of projects, including woodworking, crafting, and home repairs. Offering the freedom of cordless operation, it features a keyless chuck for effortless bit changes and a soft grip handle that ensures comfort and control during use. The drill's fold-down handle allows for convenient storage. It comes with 4 standard drill bits, but its compatibility with various other bits makes it suitable for a broad spectrum of tasks. This hand drill provides several advantages, including enhanced precision for delicate work, portability due to its cord-free and lightweight design, versatility with its wide range of compatible drill bits, and durability backed by a lifetime warranty. The GYKLE point driver is a practical and versatile framing tool that also functions as a flexible point gun tacker. Made of lightweight and durable metal, it's well suited for a range of applications, including picture framing, joinery, and various DIY projects. This tool comes with 1,000 points designed for both flexible and rigid framing needs. It allows you to accomplish tasks such as attaching backing boards, mats, and glass to frames, joining wood moldings and trim, and tackling DIY projects like furniture building and crafting. Using the point driver is straightforward. Simply load the points and pull the trigger. The tool offers a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability. The SureBonder PERO 2500 adjustable temperature 5/8 inches hot glue gun is a professional-grade and heavy-duty tool built for versatility and high-performance glue applications. With a powerful 500-watt heater, an adjustable temperature range, and compatibility with various glue stick types, it's suitable for woodworking, crafting, and repairs on a range of materials. Comfort features like the ergonomic finger trigger and rubber grip, along with precise glue dispensing control, make it user-friendly. Whether you're bonding wood, metal, plastic, glass, or fabric, this glue gun is a reliable choice for professional and demanding projects. The Rhino Gland Nut Wrench is a specialized and robust tool designed for the challenging task of loosening and tightening gland nuts on hydraulic cylinders. These nuts are crucial for sealing piston rods within hydraulic cylinders, and they can be extremely challenging to work with, particularly if they are corroded or stuck. These wrenches are constructed from durable alloy steel and are uniquely designed to provide a secure and even grip on gland nuts. They also feature a square breaker bar slot that enhances leverage, making it easier to deal with stubborn nuts. Sold in sets of 2, these wrenches come in various sizes, suitable for a range of nuts, and include essential accessories such as gloves, an Allen wrench, and more. The Yard Butler ID6C Manual Lawn Coring Aerator is a practical tool for homeowners looking to improve their lawn's health and vitality without the expense of powered equipment. This manual aerator effectively loosens compacted soil, enhances aeration, and promotes healthy root growth, resulting in a lusher, more disease-resistant lawn. Its durable construction and cushioned handles make it easy to use, and the cost-effective price point makes it an attractive choice for small yards and manual tool enthusiasts. Overall, it's a handy solution for achieving a thriving, resilient lawn. The Rebra Screw and Amp Bolt Extractor Set and Left-Hand Drill Bit Set is a comprehensive 26-piece solution for tackling stubborn, damaged, or rusted bolts, nuts, and screws. Crafted from high-quality hardened steel, the screw extractors effectively grip even the most challenging screws, while the left-hand drill bits are designed to remove broken screws without harming the surrounding material. The included hex adapter allows for use with a power drill, making the process efficient. With clear instructions provided, this set is accessible for users of all experience levels, saving time and frustration when working with stubborn fasteners. It's a must-have for anyone in need of reliable and straightforward bolt and screw extraction. The Ruatool model nippers are a versatile and affordable tool for model builders, catering to all levels of expertise, including beginners. These nippers are renowned for their sharp, ultra-thin blades, designed for clean and precise cuts, minimizing the need for extensive finishing work. Crafted from high-quality materials, the blades maintain their sharpness over time. The nipper's ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. The non-slip grip enhances safety and precision. The KEEPSORT Industrial PR3 Ring Roll Bender is a highly versatile manual tool designed for efficiently creating rings from metal stock with diameters of 3 inches or larger. With the capacity to bend various metal shapes, including round and flat bars, it proves invaluable for projects ranging from crafting chandeliers and plant holders to making custom metal rings. Its portable design, coupled with ease of use and adjustable top rolls for different ring diameters, makes it a dependable choice for metalworkers in various applications. Constructed with high-quality materials and hardened rollers, the PR3 is durable and built to last, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The GYKLE 8 inches 4-way wood rasp file is a versatile woodworking tool designed to shape wood, remove excess material, smooth surfaces, sharpen tools, and deburr metal. With 4 different rasps on each side, it offers flexibility for various tasks, including shaping curves, creating flat surfaces, sharpening knives, and more. Made from premium-grade high-carbon steel, it is durable and long-lasting. The comfortable rubber grip handle ensures precise control, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking enthusiast's toolkit. The KEEPSORT Industrial Aluminum Frame Pipe and Tube Notcher is a reliable manual tool designed to make precise cuts in round pipe and tubing up to 2 inches in diameter, with adjustable cutting angles up to 45 degrees. It comes equipped with a built-in protractor gauge for easy angle measurement and adjustment. The notcher features a durable aluminum frame and a high-quality steel hole saw. It can be conveniently mounted on a drill press for added stability. Whether you're working on electrical and plumbing installations, metal furniture construction, custom metal parts fabrication, or metal structure repairs, this notcher proves to be a valuable tool for various metalworking applications. The Yungu Tool Wire Fishing Rope Crimping and Cutting 2-in-1 tool is a versatile and durable hand tool designed for various applications. It can be used for crimping and cutting wire rope, fishing line, cordage, and crimping aluminum oval and double-barrel stop ferrule loop sleeves. Made from high-quality carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant black oxidation treatment, the tool features an adjustable crimping mechanism suitable for wire rope diameters ranging from 0.1 mm to 2.2 mm. With sharp and durable cutting blades, it effortlessly cuts through various materials. The rubberized, non-slip handles provide comfort and a secure grip. The General Tools 196 short-length hand reamer and amp countersink is a versatile tool that excels at various tasks, including removing burrs from cut pipe, tubing and conduit, enlarging and countersinking holes in materials like wood, brass and plastic, and countersinking screws in soft materials. With a compact cutting head featuring 5 flutes, it ensures quick and efficient work. The tool's handle is built for durability and ergonomic comfort, making it a valuable addition to any DIYer or professional's toolkit. Its versatility, lightweight design, heavy-duty construction, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for a wide range of tasks. Thank you for watching our video on top tech tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.